The clock is ticking for Virginia lawmakers to agree on a budget by the end of the month, but there's been a standoff between House and Senate Democrats over the issue of the data center tax exemption. Today, House budget leaders announced they have a plan endorsed by Governor Spanberger. It doesn't remove the tax exemption, but instead proposes a special data center impact study. Our Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Julie Carey takes a look tonight at the plan.
Virginia needs a budget.
House budget leaders underscoring the urgency of coming together on a budget, pointing out teachers, firefighters, troopers, and state employees all waiting for the pay raises included in the package. It also funds a long list of Democratic priorities like raising the minimum wage and paid family and medical leave.
This budget is our promise kept to the teacher, to the trooper, to the firefighter, to the healthcare worker, to the parent just trying to make ends meet.
But the budget fight this year is between House and Senate Democrats. State Senator Louise Lucas, chair of the Senate Appropriations Committee, insisting on a budget that removes a sales tax exemption currently enjoyed by data centers. Her social media post from earlier this week reading, "Data centers need to pay their fair share. The House and governor have thrown up their hands, believing that it's too hard for them to solve in 25 days. House Speaker Don Scott firing back.
And the answer is not to blow up Virginia's families with a budget fight. They're counting on us.
Now, in an attempt to strike a compromise, the House budget team wants to create a data center accountability commission to report back by November 1st.
A full investigation into energy costs, financial impacts, air quality, water conservation, renewable energy, and community impacts.
Scott says the commission could make recommendations for action on data centers for the 2027 session or even in an earlier special session. And late this afternoon, in response to the commission idea, Senator Lucas wrote, "Virginians are dealing with the negative consequences of data centers today. They expect action now." Lucas is starting a data center listening tour next week, coming to Manassas. Senate Republicans watching the Democrats' intra-party fight. State Senator Bryce Reeves writing in part, "A shutdown is avoidable, and failing to prevent one would be a disservice to the workers and communities that count on a functioning government every day." But there is word of a new agreement between House and Senate Democrats and Governor Spanberger on the cannabis retail market. Democrats were furious when the governor made amendments to their legislation, and they refused to sign off. The bill's sponsors say they've come to terms with the governor and will add a new proposal to the still pending budget. Reporting for News 4, I'm Julie Carey.